What if I told you you could clone your entire creative brain for free? Yo, creators! Here. And today we're diving into the most insane free AI tools that'll make you feel like you have superpowers. I'm talking about writing, designing, editing, the whole shebang. First up, beating that evil blank page, these writing tools are about to blow your mind. ChatGPT, the OG AI writer, free tier, unlimited creativity. Pro tip, don't just say write a script, give it personality. Tell it to be a charismatic tech reviewer. But wait, there's more. Claude by Anthropic. It's like ChatGPT's cooler cousin who actually sounds human. Okay, script's done. Now you need something that doesn't look like it was made in MS Paint from 1995. Canva AI is absolutely insane. Magic Write for captions, Magic Edit to modify photos, and AI image generation all free. Leonardo.ai for mind-blowing artwork. Their free tier is incredibly generous. Now for the real magic. Tools that used to cost thousands are now free. CapCut is absolutely bonkers. Auto captions that are scary accurate, AI voiceovers, insane effects, free music library. No watermarks. 11 labs for ultra-realistic voiceovers when you sound like a dying walrus. Here's the secret sauce. You are the director. AI is your crew. Give specific instructions, iterate. Don't just accept the first result, and always add your unique voice. Which tool are you trying first? Smash that like if this blew your mind, subscribe for more AI secrets, and comment your favorite free AI tool. Now go create something epic. Thanks for watching. Now excuse me while I go clone myself.